all, my name is Rahman, and in this video we are going to write such a program which will create a best fit line and best fit slope. So guys, if you remember in the last video we have talked about regression theory, like how it is used, how it works, why it is used, etc. and how to calculate it, what is the formula for calculating, etc. So guys, and how to define the best fit line. So guys, for defining the best fit line, we found a formula known as y equals to mx plus b. Mx plus b. Okay, so we know the value of x, but we don't know the value of m and b. So first of all, guys, I am going to talk about the m and first of all I am going to talk about m, then later on b. So guys, I found a formula for finding the value of m. That is, as you can see here on the screen, m equals to x mean into y mean minus xy mean divided by x mean whole square minus x square mean. Okay, so that's the formula for creating, that's the formula for finding the value of m. I'm going to talk about the how to find the value of b also, but not now, later on. Okay, so guys, first of all, I'm going to type here, I'm going to import the statistics from, I'm going to paste it from statistics, import mean. So guys, from now we need to learn about statistics. We need here a lot of statistics and math. Now I'm going to import here the math numpy as np, and here also I'm going to import here the matplotlib. So guys, we have to install the matplotlib on our computer by just giving here in the Jupyter notebook only the exclamation mark, then type pip install matplotlib and run that command, then it will be installed on your computer. Now matplotlib dot plot pyplot, okay, as plt. Okay, so guys, now I am going to run it. So guys, it's going to work because I have matplotlib and numpy installed on my computer. Okay, so guys, now I am going to, if you remember in the last video we were having a graph, and in that graph I was passing through a line. Now I want to create that one only. So guys, for creating I am going to create the x-axis equals to, okay, and in this brackets I am going to pass here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, beside this one I am going to create another variable known as ys equals to 5 6 7 8 9 and, okay, not 5 6 7, 5 4 6 5 6 7, 5 4 6 5 6 7 5 6 7. Okay, now 7. Okay, now I am going to run this one. Now I want to plot a graph here. So guys, for plotting that one I am going to enter here plt dot plot xs comma ys comma plt dot show. So this is how we show the graph. Now if I run it, we will be able to see a graph. So guys, as you can see here, you are seeing a graph. So if you see here, I'm going to zoom in my page. Okay, okay. Now, so guys, as you can see here, the line is starting from here. So wherever it's curved, as you can see here, it's starting from here. So there is one point here, then one point here, one point here, and one point here, and this is the last point here. So this is how. So guys, for seeing that in the form of dots, okay, scatter, I'm going to give you something like scatter, scatter. Okay, now if I run it, as you can see here, these are the lines. So the line was coming from like this, it was starting from here and moving, curving here, here, and it was ending here. Okay, so guys, that was, so now I gave something like scatter, so that's why it came into the dots. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to remove these things I don't want to be here. Delete all of this one. Now if I run it, nothing happened. Now, so guys, if you see here, we have these variables. I'm going to make this big now. Now if you see here, guys, I'm going to convert it into numpy arrays. These are numpy arrays only, but I'm going to give it like array. Okay, it should be numpy array. Here also brackets at the end of it, brackets, and in this one we are going to give something like comma d type by d type. Okay, d type should be numpy dot float 64-bit. Okay, now I'm going to copy this one, same thing, and here also same thing, np dot array brackets also, and here also brackets. I'm going to paste it. Now I'm going to, okay, now you can see here numpy array, then we have the data type comma data type numpy float 64-bit we have right now. Now so guys, I'm going to run it. Okay, d type is not defined. So guys, some of the time we were getting something like d type not defined because I thought that it will understand as data type. Now we don't have that one right now, so I give like np dot float 64-bit. Okay, so anyway guys, no problem right now. Now first of all, I'm going to define a function. Def should be the best fit slope. Now I'm going to define the best fit slope only. SLOP is slope. Now guys, in the brackets, in parameters, I'm going to pass here the x, s, y, s. S, y, s. Now save it. Now, so guys, I'm going to give here something like m equals, okay, and here I'm going to use here the formula that we have to write here. So guys, before writing this one, let's pass here one more thing, return m, and below this one I'm going to pass here m equals to best fit slope. Okay, m equals to best fit slope in the brackets xs comma ys. Now I'm going to save it, and here I have to pass here the formula. So guys, as you can see here on the screen, the formula that you are seeing is m equals to x mean and y mean minus x mean xy mean by divided by x mean square minus x square mean. Okay, so anyway guys, no problem. Now so guys, I'm going to pause the video and type the whole formula. I'm not going to waste the time on the video, so I'm going to type the formula and I'm going to explain that later on. So guys, as you can see here on the screen, I have written the formula for m equals to mnx. So guys, now I'm going to share the formula with you. As you can see here on the screen, where m equals to, we have the mean xs. Okay, now we should make here some space. This is a bracket, whole bracket. Now you can see mean xs. So we have the in place of x we have the xs, and in place of y we have the ys. Okay, so wait. Okay, now so guys, if you see mean xs into mean ys, okay, and we have the minus mean xs minus divided by ys mean. Okay, so this is the formula. Now again, if I show you the formula, you can see we have the divided by x mean square minus x mean square. Okay, so guys, for doing that one, as you can see here, we have the x mean xs, we have the square. So guys, we have some options like there are some things that we can't do in Python, like we can't give something like power to something like this. So we have to give these things like we have to give this multiplication symbol 2 times for giving the power. Okay, so power 2 we have, which is minus mean xs power 2. Okay, so if you see the formula, m equals to x means into y mean minus xy mean divided by x mean whole square minus x mean square. Okay, so anyway guys, no problem. So this is sorry, this was closed by mistake. Okay, it's going to open, save it. Okay, so guys, I'm going to run this one first of all, and let's see what's the answer. So here is what we have done here on stage. We didn't type like print m. Okay, now run it. So guys, as you can see here, we are getting something like 0.4. The output is 0.4. Okay, so guys, now what we have to do is we have to find the value of p. We found the value of x and m. Now we have to find the value of p, where we are y equals to mx plus b. So if you find the value of b, then we will solve the equal equation. So guys, for finding the value of b, you can see on the screen b equals to y mean minus mx mean. M into x mean. So guys, as you can see on the screen, we have the best fit slope, and I'm going to change this one. So I'm going to remove this one, save it, save it. Now best fit slope and intercept, or let's give best fit slope and intercept. Okay, now we have the x's, yx, all of them now. Now guys, we have to return here the b comma b, and in the end of it, this one here we have to, I'm going to paste the formula for b. So guys, as you can see here, I missed a, okay, so b equals to mean ys, okay. So as you can see on the screen guys, y equals to b equals to y mean minus mx mean. So b equals to mean. So this is, so guys, as you can see on the screen here right now, b equals to mean ys minus m into mean xs. So guys, this is how it is going to work right now. Now we have the m, and now we have to print the b also, or if not, we can print also like this, copy and paste it again, b. Now let's run it and see how, what's the output. The name is not defined. Okay, b equals to, okay, best fit slope. I should done here the mistake, and intercept. Okay, now let's run it and let's check whether are we getting any errors or not. So I think here beside this one, here I should give something like b m comma b. So m comma b, and now let's run it. So guys, as you can see here, the output is 0.42857, and the output for b is, the output for b is 4.0. So guys, now our job is to do that with the graph, right? So we have to plot that graph like this only. So guys, for doing that with the graph, I'm going to make here some changes here itself. I'm going to make this screen smaller, save it. Now, so guys, we have the MB, we have created these things. Now, instead of the print, okay, now it is regression line. Okay, the regression line should be the form. What's the formula? The formula is y equals to mx plus b. Okay, so in this one, I'm going to create the brackets. M into x is there, mx. Okay, here mx plus b. Okay, now for x in x's, x in x's. Okay, so now regression line, we have another one. Now we have to plot that one here also. So guys, but before doing that one, I'm going to import one more thing, and from matplotlib, okay, from matplotlib, I'm going to import this style. Import the style, style, run it. Now let's save it, and here go and let's come here and make here some space, and at the top of this one I'm going to use the style dot use right 30 8. Okay, now I'm going to use the columns. Now let's come at the bottom here. So guys, you can see here we have the regression line. Now below this one I'm going to plot the one. So guys, for plotting this one, plt dot scatter should be xs comma ys, and plt dot plot xs comma regression line. Now I have to run it. So guys, as you can see here on the screen, okay, So guys, as you can see here, we have a graph, simple graph. You can see the regression line and the points that you are currently on the screen. So guys, if I do one more thing, like what if I give like plt w dot show and run it. So guys, there is no that much difference. So anyway guys, no problem. So you can see we have a regression line and we are able to pass a regression line from these from these dots. Okay, so anyway guys, that's all for this video. So if you have any questions, please give that in the comments below, and please make sure subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.